So, hello friends, how are you? And this is the 8. I am Harshil Chauhan, your maths mentor, and today we are going to discuss about square and square roots. So, lastly, we have done discussion of exponents and powers. Okay, जो तुमने पढ़ा था अच्छे से I guess समझ भी लिया होगा. And if you missed that video, then please go and check it out. Okay, बहुत ही कंपल्सन है ऐसे छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स को याद रखना और पढ़ना, क्योंकि यही तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक फील करवाएगी जब तुम दूसरे किसी मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम में अटक गए हो. एम आई क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द D8 स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर एंड व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट? सो पहले तो मैं जस्ट सिंपल बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि जैसे एक्सपोनेंट पावर में वी हैव डन 3 raised to the power 3, like that. 3 raised to the power 3 means what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 times. We are going to learn something about square only over here. 3 square matlab 3 multiplied by 3. Only 2 times we are going to repeat that particular number. So we are going to discuss about only square number. फिर वो चाहे ले लो 5 square, 3 square, 9 square, 100 square, बस यही लेना है. एम आई क्लियर? एंड देन स्क्वायर रूट. सो रिवर्स प्रोसेस. अब हमारे पास अगर कोई 25 है तो उसकी रिवर्स प्रोसेस क्या होगी? 5 स्क्वायर. ठीक है. सो स्क्वायर क्या होता है? पहले तो 3 multiplied by 3, it's a 3 square, and the value of 3 square is what? 9. And if we are having 9 and someone is going to ask me that ki sir, what is the square root of 9? So what is the square root of 9 is what? 3. Answer is what? 3. So as we are having 5 multiplied by 5, which is 5 square, is 25. The square root of 25 is what? 5. So both things are very connected. Okay, if someone is going to ask you that sir, 11 into 11 is what? So 121. So 11 square is 121, where square root of 11, sorry, square root of 121 is what? 11. Am I clear? Square is when you are going to multiply, and square root is when you are going to find the square root. Okay, from where this number came. Okay, so for that we are having few topics as we have written over here. Square of a number, the result of multiplying a number by itself, means 5 square multiply by itself. If someone is asking me 13, so what is 13 square? 13 square means 13 multiplied by 13. I need to multiply this number with that number only. Am I clear? And what is square root? Square root of a number, the value that when multiplied by itself given the original number. So from that we'll get square root, the value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. So 5 multiplied by 5 will give you 25. Or you can remember this thing by such a simple phenomena that if I am having 25, with which two number I have multiplied and I'll find 25, so it's a 5. So lots of square and square root I have written over here, starting from the 1 and it's ending 30. So 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 100. So you can stop the screen and you can go through each and everything. That is very important. At least 30 square till 30 याद रखना ही है, क्योंकि I don't want that you are going to waste your 1-2 second in multiplying this thing. Yeah, lots of students nowadays are saying me and like they are having a very genuine question that कि sir हम multiplication से तो लेके आते हैं, so what is the need of remembering these all things? So देखो बेटा, multiplication से तो तुम लेके आ ही सकते हो, बट लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. बहुत ही सिंपल है. वैसे तो तुम खाना घर पे भी खा सकते हो ना, रोटी सब्जी वॉट एवर यू आर हैविंग एवरी डे. तो फिर पिज़्ज़ा खाने क्यों तुम बाहर जाते हो? जिसका कोई लॉजिक है, हाँ है. तो अगर लॉजिक है तो तुम ऐसा बोलोगे कि मुझे हमें थोड़ा चेंज चाहिए, तो यस, रादर देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड एडिशन रोज करते रहने से अच्छा है तुम थोड़ा चेंज ले लो. और अगर तुम उस चीज़ में कोई रीज़न या लॉजिक नहीं देना चाहते तो फिर इसमें भी कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. ठीक है, दोनों चीज़ें हमारे पास, दोनों एग्जाम्पल है. अगर तुम लॉजिक मानते हो तो ये लॉजिक है, लॉजिक नहीं मानते तो फिर लॉजिक क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? ठीक है. सो याद कर लो, बहुत ही सही चीज़ है, याद कर लो. मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि तुम ये याद करके आओ, ये ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ if 2 square is there 4, now you can remember one more thing also, that is very important. देखो 2 is there 4, 3 9, 4 6, 5 5 6 6 7 9 8 4 9 1. We are having few numbers जिसके यूनिट प्लेस डिसाइडेड है. अगर मैं ऐसा कोई भी नंबर, इफ आई एम हैविंग एनी नंबर विथ यूनिट डिजिट 2, and if I'll do square, I'll always get 4. If I am having 2, I'll always get 4. If I am having 3, I'll always get 9. See, if I am having 3, I always get the 9. If I am having 4, I'll always get the 6, 5, 5, 6, 6. So for 4 and 6, I'll get 6. For 1 and 9, I'll get 1. For 2 and 8, I'll get 4. Okay. Then for 3 and 7, I'll get 9. Am I clear? And then what is remaining for 5? It's a 5, and for 0 it's a 0. So you need to remember this thing. This thing is what, if in your unit place, okay, in your number of in a number, when you are going to find a square, so in a at a unit place, if you are having 1 or 9, you will get surely in your square 1. If you are having 2 or 8, you will get surely 4. If you are having 4 and 6, you will get surely 6. If you are having 3 or 7, you will surely get 9. If you are having 5, you will get 5, and if you are having 0, you will get 0. This is the thing that you need to remember. Now अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल थियोरी आई एम गोइंग थ्रू, बट उसके बाद दो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. पहली चीज़, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर, तो दैट इज़ वेरी इजी. 19, how can I find the square of 19? So it's a 19 multiplied by 19. First I'll do multiplication with 9. 9 9 is 81. 9 1 is 9 plus 8, it's 17 plus 0 1 9. 1 9 plus 7 is 16, and 3 3 6 1. So that's how you can find the square. One more try, 29 into 29. So it's 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8, 18 plus 26. Then 0, 2 9s are 9 2s are 18, and then 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 1 6 plus 8, so it's 4. um, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. So answer will be 8 4. So what is square of 29 is 841, and what is the square of 19 is a 361. So that's how you can find the square. Now we are having, let's different methods are also there with the identities, but that is not required. Okay, हमें maths को simple बनाना है, and for identity and this all things is a part of the syllabus that we can do with the different approaches, but when you are looking for basic maths, then that is not required. So only and only you need to do multiplication of that type of number, and you will get find you will going to find the square. But rather than this thing also, I am like insisting very 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 much कि 30 तक के तो स्क्वायर याद होनी चाहिए. Now the most important part, and very very we can say that a funny and easy to find the square root. Now where you can use that square root. सो तुम्हारे एक बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है पाइथागोरस. या तो अगर तुम टेंथ में हो, सो डिस्टेंस, यू हैविंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. और इफ यू आर नॉट इन टेंथ और नाइन्थ एट्थ और सेवेंथ, यू आर हैविंग वन मोर थियरम, पाइथागोरस थियरम. फॉर दैट थिंग you have to focus over here in prime factorization with the finding the square root with the help of prime factorization, PFM, and LDM, long division method. What do you mean by Pythagoras theorem? That we'll see or discuss in the next lecture. But today you need to focus over here in prime factorization. Prime factorization we have already done in video of LCM HCF. Same thing we need to do. Prime factorization कैसे करेंगे? 2025. Let's start with the 5. 5 4s are 20. Now one more time I am revising this thing. 5 4s are 20. Khatam. Now you cannot directly write over here 5 5s are 25. Q, because you are having 2 which is less than 5. So you have to put 0 over here, and then you can write 5 5s are 25. Again 5 8s are 40, and 5 1s are 5. 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So now what is the Factor of 2025. The 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How can I write this thing? 5 square, 3 square and 3 square. What I have done, I have made a group of 2 2 2. Okay, 5 square, 3 square, 3 square. So now you can write very clearly. See, both sides square root you need to do. Clear? So if you do both sides square root, square root, like you can do one more step over here. 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 whole square, square root cut, and you are having answer is what? 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. That's how you can find the square root by the prime factorization. One more, let's do one more practice. 7056. How you need to start? First you need to start with the basic 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now let's start with another number. See, now what is the divisibility rule of 3? So all the numbers, if we'll add the number or add the all numbers, then it will be divisible by 3. Then and then we can say that the number itself divisible by 3. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and 3 7s are 21. One more time, 3 4s are 12, and 3 1 minute. 3 nines are 27. 7 sevens are, sorry, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. So what is the factors of 7056? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Now make a group of 2 2 2, 2 square, 2 square, 3 square and 7 square. Now both sides square root. What you will get? 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 7 square, both sides square root, and then take the square as a common thing. Square root cut. What is your square root? 2 2s are 4, then 3 7s are 21, or you can write that also 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So what is square root of 7056? It's a 84. Am I clear? It's a 84. Okay, now find the square root of 4489, but that we will do in a next lecture. So for now, that's it for today. Day 8 थोड़ा लंबा चलेगा, that's why ये हम कल करेंगे. Thank you, bye bye.